You know what, at this point? I hate GitHub. All my homies hate GitHub. We use Codeberg instead. You know why I hate GitHub? You might be thinking that I'm getting a bit aggressive, but you know why? GitHub is dropping the Atom text editor. Yeah, but we know they're dropping the Atom text editor. Shut up. This part's a bit unscripted. I know I'm like 1 month late to the party, but I don't care. I need to post something fast. Now, if you didn't know this, like me, because you live under a rock, you might think that I'm lying, but GitHub themselves said this on their blog. Why am I talking like this? Everybody already knows about this. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. GitHub said, quote, "As new cloud-based tools have emerged and evolved over the years, Atom community involvement has declined significantly. As a result, we've decided to sunset Atom so we can focus on enhancing developer experience in the cloud with GitHub Codespaces." Yeah, I call BS on that. Atom is really great for people who don't want to completely go off the FOSS deep end with something like GNU Emacs or Vim. But soon, you won't be able to officially use it. Look, I'm not even mad that GitHub is sunsetting Atom and canceling it. I'm really just disappointed. So, if you're like me and you're wondering what you can switch to now, well, as of writing this video, you can still download Atom. But, as I'm saying these words, as of writing this video, that is like a month or two ago. So, I'm not sure if you can still download it. The code for Atom is also still up on GitHub. So, you could fork the project yourself, or you could use someone else's fork. But I don't know how long you can really maintain that. You could also do what I'm currently doing, which is completely ditching Atom. You could use one of the million proprietary editors like VS Code, or what I would argue is the better opinion, you could use a free and open source editor. Vim and GNU Emacs have both been around for a really long time, so they have each developed their own strong community. If you want something that's similar to Atom, use what I'm switching to, which is GNU Emacs. But if you want something that makes you look cool to other programmers, use Vim. So that's really it for this video. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.